Okay, I believe it is audible. Let me just check with, yeah, okay, it is going on perfectly. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. And today, date is December 20, and we are going to check about the how Nifty moved today. Okay, so this was the marking and video which I have sent in the morning, which we got in live. And if you can see, my two expectations was this, like either price take out this low and take a reversal from there, or it take out this high and respecting this FEG of 50% or something and falls back. But what price has done is like it opened gap down directly of some points. Let me just see. Yeah, some 50-60 points it opened gap down, and price didn't try to reverse take a reversal from there. It just fell down crazily and take out this yesterday's low. So once taking out yesterday's low, price was consolidating there, and after that it took a reversal. Okay, so let's see what all trade which I could have taken, and few trades I have taken and few trades I haven't. So let's just see what all trades which could have been taken according to our plan. Okay, so FVG is above there, like this, consider like that. As I said, price opened gap down of 50 points, and then without taking a toll it just fell off like crazily. Okay, what happened is once it swept this yesterday's low, it tried to move up, but it failed to move up. I was patiently waiting to see at least one candle closing above one previous candle, so which I got here. So I marked this as my first retracement and waited patiently for the something to sweep it. And as expected, it got swept by a pin bar. And I entered, placed my first trade here. And initially, I was targeting this high as my first target, and my second target was this one. Yeah, I could have exited my whole positions here. But what price did it? It respected this extreme OB of this leg. So once price reaching there, I just moved my stops to break even, and which got hit. So I didn't make any amount here. So it was a break even trade for me in this one. And also once price fell down, I marked my fib level like premium and discount just to show you guys. Yes. Um, so now this is the retracement, and actually it got pretty worked pretty well, moving crazily, but it took me out in break even. No hard feelings of that. And this was the, like before, this is the last retracement high and fall. So this was my next liquidity area which I was looking to take a shot if price sweeps it and provides some pin bar or engulf, but price rapidly sweeps that. And anyway, I was waiting for a pin bar, and this pin bar also swept this eye as well. Like, so I have taken entered this and took a loss. So my first trade today was a loss. Yeah, with the very next candle itself, it got hit, and I was constantly looking for a sell side only because it has taken out all this buy side liquidity, and some place buyers, sorry, the short people who shorted have to square off their position, maybe here, maybe on some above. So right, short position, right? No, no, pardon me. I know there is some liquidity there. So once taking out this liquidity, I thought the somewhere the institution would take entry. So I was waiting for another pin bar or sweep something, but the good candle is here only. So I entered here, and my first target would have been, okay, I didn't enter this. My first target would have been this low, which already got you more than 2%. But what happened is on C, this is today's chart, right? Yeah, yeah. Okay. On seeing this body candle, something I was not sure about it. So what I did is I waited for the next candle to provide a confirmation. But what happened is, so my next target or first partial target became this one because I can't take a partial here with just 0.13%. Then price reversed and took my SL. This is what, like, I should have either entered here or avoided this entry itself. But I thought price could go lower like this itself or something, at least sweep this low. So it's a lesson to follow my trading plan and just take it boldly. So what happened is, more than being like missing in profit, I ended up in a loss in this trade. Yeah, I didn't even move to break even here. And so this down move made it a new liquidity pool for me. So I waited for this sweep, but before this sweep, I just marked it out, and I was considering looking for a short. And this pin bar is also looking good as it closed sharply downside. So I taken this trade, and somewhere, yeah, I taken this trade, and I was looking for this as a target. Here also was priced is, it came nicely near to my first takeaway profit, like just few points, I would say. How much is it? We are just 5 points or 7 points. Yeah, 7 points, and just nearby 7 points, price took a reversal, and eventually it took it out. But as I say always, I consider this as my OB, and price without breaking the OB, it took a turn. So I moved it to break even. So this trade, I didn't get anything. So it was a break even trade for me. I got here itself break even. Just giving a different color. Say break even as my green. So what I ended up is two break evens and two L's. And the next one, as I said, this got become my new liquidity pool, and price swept with a good pin bars. How I just entered here. Yeah, I entered here, keeping my first target. I believe somewhere here only I have taken it out. Right, 1:1 or something. Yeah, due to two losses I have already faced, I just entered with only one lot, and the first target itself I have exited. Yeah, if I have just holded it to my second target, boom, bam, it have moved like crazily, but I didn't get it. I ended up with 0.8. No hard feelings actually. Even though if it has moved, I would have like exited my everything by here. Yeah, by this candle. And once this liquidity pool has been swept, I would have definitely entered. Like with the plan, it is my obligation to enter here. Yes. So it could have been one more SL hit, and I would have been ended up with one break even, two break even, one SL, two SL. This I would have said I would have taken a partial and ended up with 0.2 or mere profit there. Some profit would have been there because I believe it moved more than 2%. Yeah, more than 5% I would have definitely made like after brokerage and everything. And this trade would have got me like what 0.8 into 6, which is like nearly half a percent, and almost another 2 1.4. So I would have been ended up with, yeah, like it would just be suffice to end up close my loss. So I would have ended up with a what, closed here. I would have ended up with good profits, but I wouldn't have closed there. My target would have been this one only, max to max this one. Yeah, so just like 2 hour only. So yes, no, nothing, happy only. So maybe it's not the proper OB itself. I could have waited for this break and would have taken, yeah, emotions played out. But anyway, it would have been a break even day for me. No issues here. Break even day. So do you want to check about tomorrow? Like, do you want to see? I'm reviewing all the drawing as usual. Going to one day. See, okay. Price is intent to move up only, as I believe. Liquidity, and yeah, I believe price will go up at least half of this FEG. So daily bias, I believe tomorrow could be end by pressure. And let's moving to 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour, this OB will act as a resistance to us. Definitely a resistance. But if I'm just marking out the liquidity area, this is the low, and this can act as an high. This is also a good high, and this high. If price make, I don't think price will go till there. We never know. Like, we just gonna predict the market and react how it goes according to our prediction. Like, these are all the markings. So like for now it is showing good buying pressure. So it can go up and up. So let it take this high and reverse. Yeah, this could be an ideal reaction, or even reaction from this OB is also pretty good only if it has taken this. Okay, what is this high? Oh, today's high. Let's see how it goes. But tomorrow I'm expecting a fall. But in 1 hour it is pretty up. So I believe price will come down. Like, come down something. It has to come down before going up.